Hey there, retired comedian here, and here in this one, I want to say what's one of the best books that I've ever read of all time, and that is this one right here, ladies and gentlemen. Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich. It's a great book, man, and it's a book that you have to. It's a must. Don't read this book if you don't commit to read it more than once. This book, look how small it is. It's pretty small. The print is fairly decent. But this is one of those books that you cannot read just once. You either propose yourself to read it once a year or once every 3 months or something like that. But you have to read this book regularly because it's like watching like a really good movie. Like sometimes we miss certain things, and same with books. Like this book is so freaking good that you're gonna get things now, but then you read it again and you get other things, and you read it again and you get other things, and then you read it again and you get other things, and you're little by little uncovering the full book. But it takes a few reads in order for you to get to that level that you actually get there. And yeah, man, and there's so many chapters here that are like so full of value. Like we start with the power of thought, desire, faith, autosuggestion, specialized knowledge, imagination, organized planning, decision, persistent, the power of the mastermind, the mystery of sex transmutation. That's one. The sex transmutation one was one that literally it took me years upon years to fully understand it, because that's one of those chapters that you just like read and you just go like, I remember the first like maybe 3 to 5 times that I read this book. I was like, I still don't fully get it, but I'm gonna get it. And now I get it even more, and I'm still learning and refreshing and just like overall um, really giving that extra refresher to my mind because you get little things out of it. So yeah, definitely very powerful book. Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. There's so many versions made of this book, whether you speak another language or whatever it is. I think there's even a version for kids if you want to like read it with your kids or something. But yeah, that's my favorite book. Not necessarily my favorite book, but definitely one of the books that's on the top of my list that's helped me be better with my finances, be better with my mind, be better with my businesses, be better with a bunch of things. So leave me in the comments below what is your favorite books, what is your recommendations for incredible financial success and business success, because I would like to know since I'm a retired comedian. You know what I'm saying? I'll catch you on the next one. Take care and have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye bye.